Hey kings and queens, it's your girl Aiden Devaney. Welcome back to my channel where we do product reviews, product DIY, and beauty tech reviews. Hello. You're looking gorgeous today. Is that new hair? Is that a new perfume? Today I have something very interesting for you. As usual, I was on Instagram getting caught in all the thirst traps, and all of a sudden I ran across this ad for a website called Rebatist. I don't know how to pronounce it. I want to say it's Rebatist. They will send you free Amazon stuff and all you have to do is review it. So naturally I was like, where do I sign up? I love free stuff. I signed up and I start going through like the different categories, different products, and of course they had a health and beauty section. Basically what happens is you search through their categories of stuff, you pick out what you want, they give you the amount for that product, you buy it on Amazon, then you give them the order number that Amazon gives you. You have 6 hours to do this, mind you. And then they send you the item, you review the item, and then you get your money back. So it's a free product, essentially. I was once a part of a program very similar to this, where they actually sent you products and you just reviewed the products, right? But Amazon changed their guidelines or their user terms or whatever, so you cannot receive free items to review anymore. So what this company did to get around that is they have you buy the product, they give you the money for said product for your review. It's kind of whatever. I was kind of like sketch suspect on it, but what did it hurt to try it out? So I tried it out and I bought something called an eyelash growth serum. I don't need an eyelash growth serum, but it was $9. It was something that was easy to review, whatever. So I reviewed it just to kind of like see how the website worked, if it was a scam. I have the product here from Amazon, still in the package, totes excited. And this is how it comes. This product, girl. I don't know why I chose like the very first product to be like an eye product, like something I would put around my eyes, but it is what it is. So we have 2 of the eyelash serum, and this was like $9. The packaging is cute. Let's see what it says. It says eyelash growth serum, promote your eyelashes growth longer and thicker. Sis, they didn't have somebody proofread this before they actually made products? I digress. We're not here for that. Let's see. Let's see what the back says. The pink eyelash growth serum. Promote your eyelashes longer. Ingredients include purified water, butylene glycol, glycerin. I have no clue what that's supposed to mean, but it's a ferment, and I want to say it might be a bacterial ferment, maybe fungal. Let me look this up. It has aloe vera, phenoxyethanol, hydrolyzed silk, and dextran. And in the gold eyelash growth serum, we have purified water, butylene glycol, glycerin, riboflavin, vitamin C, PEG-7, glycerol, cocoate, alcohol denatured, phenoxyethanol, hydrolyzed silk, and dextran. I personally don't see what's in here that's going to grow your eyelashes, but I'm willing to give it a try. So yeah, I don't have to waste your $9. It also says Apply the serum carefully with the applicator, brushing your lashes. Amazon put a sticker in front of the rest of the instructions. Apply the serum carefully with the applicator, brushing your lashes from root to the tip for several times until the serum covers on your eyelashes evenly. Suggest to use twice daily on the morning and in the evening to strengthen the effect. Girl, my first review of this product. Get an editor, girl. No tea, no shade, and I mean this with all the love. It would probably feel more legit, and I probably wouldn't be so scared, even if this thing worked and it's amazing and my eyelashes grew 7 inches tomorrow after putting this on. Because of the grammatical errors on this, it makes me like suspicious, it makes me suspect, it makes me not want to put it on my face. I don't know if we're supposed to do the gold first or the pink first. It doesn't say.
2 hours later.
So do I use both? Oh, okay. I get it. One serum promotes your lashes to grow longer. The other serum promotes your lashes to grow thicker. The pink one, longer lashes. The gold one, thicker lashes. So yeah. I will say they did a fabulous job on the packaging. Like, the packaging for the actual product itself is legit. It's very pretty. I don't hate the packaging. This is the longer lashes. I guess we can all use like longer lashes, whatever, but I'm gonna go for thicker lashes because while my lashes are like pretty long, they're not thick. I want more fuller lashes. So we're gonna go with this one. It says from root to tip. Can we talk about this applicator? You want me to go root to tip, and this is the applicator you gave me. Are they serious right now? Let me go do this off camera, and then maybe do it on camera. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it on camera. Little momento. I got my mirror, my trusty handy dandy mirror. I'm actually going to do the magnified side because I want to be able to see what's happening here. So I'm getting on the root right now. Should I bring you guys in closer? Here, let's bring you guys in closer. Hi, welcome to my face. Being this close up to my face, you can probably see that this is a wig. I got this wig from Beauty Can Braid. She's an Instagram and YouTuber, but she has a website called Wigs for Less, Wigs and Bundles for Less. I think that's what it's called. I'll link everything down in the description box below. But her wigs are bomb.com, .org, .co, .ca, .net. And I love this wig. I've actually been sitting on this wig now for, I want to say, like 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. And I finally decided to put it on today. And it's gorgeous. Like, I feel so sexy with a good, like, natural hair wig. I don't know, what's so cool about it is it kind of almost matches my natural texture, like a twist out. If I were to like twist out my hair, like this is what my hair would look like. And it's gorgeous, I love it. So I'll probably be rocking this for a minute, and I'll probably be buying another wig from Beauty Can Braid on Instagram. So check her out, you guys. She does really nice braids. So now I'm just taking the serum and I'm putting it on the lower lashes. She does really nice braids. I think she's located in Florida. Let's hope I get my coins back, y'all, because I'm gonna be hot if I buy this product and I don't get my $10 back. You know what I can do with $10, girl? Do you know what I can do? I've applied the serum on my lashes. Excuse me if I'm looking over there. I am actually looking at the monitor because I want to see if I'm in frame and if it's in focus. And I'll let you know in 6 months if this worked or not. So let me get you guys out of my mug and move you back a little further. While I was moving, you guys, I decided that I wanted to do the longer lashes on this eye just for shits and giggles, like why not? Moving on to doing this on this eye. So I'm not gonna bring you guys back in because you already saw how the process works. It's literally the same thing. They literally tried it again with this small ass applicator. It's super tiny. While I do this, I'm just gonna chit chat with you guys. What do you guys think about Normani? Like, I already know I'm on the super late train, gravy train, and I'm so late to finding her solo career and all that stuff. She's amazing. That video motivation, girl. Let me know in the comments below what you first thought when you saw that video. If you saw the video. And if you haven't seen the video, go watch the video, honey. Because that video is everything. Everything I needed, everything I didn't know I wanted, everything that I should be. All done with this. My eyes don't feel like they're burning. It literally just feels like I have something on my eyes. Maybe this might work, maybe it may not. Smash that like button 1,000 times and I will continue to use this product and give you an update in a later video. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you like this content and if you like me, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you always get notified whenever I post a video. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey. It's perfect that you're here because look at the lag on this. Why do you think that the lag is like that?
Salad, BLT, silverware, napkins.
Let me just do this last scene and then I'll cut. Thank you.